Hi, friends. Let's learn about the letter W again. Do you remember the three ways Miss H showed you can make letter W with your hands? You can go like this, wah, wah, wah. You could go W, W, or W. So W, wah, wah, wah. W, wah, wah, wah. Or W, wah, wah, wah. W says wah. When we write a letter W, uppercase and lowercase, it looks like two V's touching each other. We slant down, we slant up. There's my one V. We slant down, we slant up. Oops. There's two V's. Wah, wah, wah. Uppercase W. And remember, lowercase w looks exactly the same as uppercase W. It's just smaller. So slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Wah, 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 wah. Letter W says wah. Will you help me write an uppercase letter W? And then we'll do a lowercase letter W because big uppercase W takes up a lot of space. So we can't do both on the same page. Maybe we can if we're sneaky. So slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Ready? Will you help me? Slant down, slant up. What letter does this look like? A V. Slant down, slant up. Letter W. Let's see if we can write a little one in between. Ready? Slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Uppercase W and lowercase w. They both say wah, 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 like whale. What's a whale? That's an animal that lives in the ocean. How about water? Do you take a bath or a shower with water or wash your hands with water? Wind. Tomorrow for story time, Miss H has two books about the letter or the word wind. Wind. Wind can be calm or it can be very, very breezy or very, very fast. Wolf. If you listen to our story time story for today, it talked about a wolf. And there was a wolf in our Little Red Riding Hood story. Do you remember what the wolf did? And was not a nice wolf in that story. A walrus. That's an animal that lives in the water, kind of like a seal, and he's silly because he has a mustache and some tusks. And R is a walrus. And a watch. Watch starts with the letter W. Watch can be like something that you look at for telling time, or watch means you're watching to see if everything is safe or okay, or just seeing what's going on around you. I have a silly song that has the word watermelon in it. It's the song Down by the Bay, and if you know it and want to sing with me, you are more than welcome to. So here it goes. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother would say, have you ever seen a whale with a polka-dotted tail? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother would say, did you ever see a goat rowing a boat? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother would say, did you ever see a bear combing his hair? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother would say, did you ever see a pig wearing a wig? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother would say, did you ever see a goose kissing a moose? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother would say, did you ever have a time when you couldn't think of a rhyme? Down by the bay.